So if you can see, this has been divided into 4 categories. These are adjectives, these are meanings in English, these are again adjectives, and these are their meanings in English. So number 1, nice, net, nice, net. So the bracket is pronunciation. N-E-T-T is called in German net. This is the pronunciation. Funny, lustig, lustig. Sympathetic, sympathisch, sympathisch. Friendly, freundlich, freundlich. Repeating, nett, lustig, sympathisch, freundlich. Sporty, sportlich. Lustig, sympathisch, freundlich, sportlich. Freundlich, sportlich. Russell Reed.
Net, nice, lustig, funny, sympathetic, freundlich, friendly, sportlich, sporty.
Sai Reed.
Do, dumb, foul, lazy, language, boring, strength, strict, loud, loud.
And this one, net, lustig.
Net, nice, cute, funny, sympathetic, friendly, sproutless, sporty.
Yes. So here, dumb is called doof. Lazy, foul. Boring, langweilig. Strict, strange. Loud, loud. Yeah? Alles klar?
Alles klar.
So here are some more adjectives to describe things and your mood. Gut, good, gut, good, gut, very good, sehr gut, wonderful, wunderbar, wonderful, wunderbar, excellent, prima, okay, zolala, not good, nicht gut, nicht gut, bad, schlecht, bad, schlecht, very bad, sehr schlecht, sehr schlecht, miserable, 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 don't ask, frag nicht, don't ask me, frag mir nicht, frag nicht. Okay, Sai read.
Good, good, they're good, very good. Wunderbar, wonderful. Prima, excellent. Zolala, okay.
Okay, Razil read.
Nicht gut, not good, schlecht, bad, sehr schlecht, very bad, miserable, frag nicht, don't ask.
Sehr gut. Alles klar? Haben Sie Probleme?
9.
9.
So this is the summary of the bestimter article. So here it is written bestimmter. If you can see, it is written bestimmter here. So what does bestimmter means? Bestimmter means definite article, and unbestimmter means indefinite article. Okay, so order is like M, F, N, P. So we can write like this also, and we can write like this also. So M, F, N, P. In bestimmter article, what are the articles? There, the, das, the. There, the, das, the. And what happens in unbestimmter article? Ein, eine, ein. Nothing in plural. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we are also including family members. Father, because father is masculine, so obviously the article is their Vater, not water. Their Vater. Mother, die Mutter. Die Mutter. Sister, die Schwester. Sister, die Schwester. Brother, their Bruder. Again I'm repeating. So what is to, like, how do you say repeat again, or once again, or please repeat? Can you read it one more time?
Vita.
I'm sorry.
Vita, right?
V beta is what you said. What you said, can you repeat?
Okay.
In a way, like, if you can't hear me, or if you miss out listening me, then, and if you want someone to repeat again, repeat after me, read it twice, then it is noch einmal.
Noch einmal.
Their Vater, die Mutter, die Schwester, their Bruder, their Mann. Is husband is their Mann. Wife is the Frau. The child is obviously singular. It's das Kind. And children is Kinder. Uncle, their uncle. Aunt, the Tante. Grandfather, Großvater or Opa. Grandmother, the Großmutter.